RCA cables. Yeah, get comfortable for this one. Alright, RCA cables. Yellow, red, and white. It's all nice and neat, and it's all in order. You feel me? So yeah, it's like RCA cables. It's like hooked up to a PS2, Xbox 360, PS1, and Retron 3. And that's about it. And it has a good picture to it too. So yeah. Why do I still use RCA? Why do I still use RCA cables? I know why. Because it's easy for me to use. For real, for real. I've been using RCA cables for a long time now. So yeah. I just plug and play. Yep.